Nancy carrying case. After a second, so we set one of these up.
Yeah.
There. This is the light thingy.
Light thingy number 1. Finding the right end is the next exciting part.
Maybe they gave 2 green screens
Maybe.
instead of.
Or maybe it's something completely different. Maybe this is for the ground.
Does it have a
Nope.
hanging?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep. There's no hanging thing. So maybe the one that's second wrapped in plastic is.
Okay.
And we now go to Exhibit B.
It's a different color, isn't it?
Yeah, Alice Studio Muslin, it says. Yeah, it's a completely different fabric. So, as well as color.
Bonus fabric.
Like they said, muslin.
The happy sister helping.
The asleep sister helping.
Oh, it does have a hem.
Yeah, there we
Okay.
go. So that must be for the ground.
Or
And
draping project
Ye-
stuff or something.
yeah. Okay. Several minutes later. Okay, that's all we're gonna
This- Hi, so we got our green screen up, but they only sent us 1 light and we're missing 2. So I've sent an email to them. We'll find out how good their customer service pretty quickly. This is the basic tripod that they have for the lights. This is the boom tripod. We haven't really set that up yet. But you can see it has a counterweight on one side and it does extend out quite a bit, as well as up, which I won't do right now. Hello. But, so that's the deal with the boom light. And the lights will be exactly like this over here. And right now you can see we've got the chroma key background. We're gonna see how that works. It's wrinkled and it's right out of the box, and the lighting obviously is not optimal. We've got sunlight coming in through the window here, and it'll blind you, I think, if you're looking at it, and some knots. Right, now you got a whole view of the room. So, we only have 1 light. We're gonna see how it works, and we'll go from there. Talk to you later.